Hey everyone, welcome back to Help Email Tales. So if you've been scratching your head trying to figure out how to activate POP3 in Hostinger Webmail, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. A lot of people don't know how to do it, but the good news, it's actually super simple once you know where to find the settings. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the whole process by adding your own Hostinger POP3 right inside Gmail, step by step. Alright, so let's jump right in. First things first, head over to your Hostlinger's official website and log into your account. Once you're in, go ahead and open Email tab. Now, look for the email you want to activate POP for and hit the Manage button next to it. That's gonna take you straight to your email dashboard. On the left side, click on Connect Apps and Devices. Perfect. Now you'll see all the server settings. Just keep this tab open because we'll need this info in a minute. Alright, now switch over to your Gmail. Click on the little settings icon in the top right corner. Now click on See All Settings. Head over to the Account and Import tab. Scroll down until you see Check Mail from Other Accounts and click on Add an Email Account. A pop-up will appear. Just type your Hostlinger email address and click on Next. Choose POP3 as import option and hit Next. You'll see a window asking your mail settings. This is where you enter the POP3 server details from your Hostlinger. Once you've filled in the server details, you'll see a few checkboxes. Feel free to choose what works for you, but I definitely recommend checking Label Incoming Messages because it keeps things nice and organized. Once that's done, just click on Add Account. Now hop back to your Gmail inbox. You should see a confirmation email from the Gmail team. Open it up and click on Confirmation link. Then just hit the confirm button, and that's how you activate POP3 in Hostinger Webmail. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtales.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.